Welcome to another video lecture series on digital electronics. I'm Dr. Vinod. The question is how to find the number of distinct Boolean expression of four variable. The answer they are given is 16, 250 options, 16, 256, 1024, 65,536. So instead of working out this problem, first let us draw for the two variable. If it is two variable means how to draw the K-map, right? So this is how the K-map is. Since this is A and B, it takes a value 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So what is 0, 0? It is 0 and 0, 1 is 1 and 1, 0 is 2, 1, 1 is 3. So first for this if all those cells are filled by 0, the answer will be 0, right? If all these cells are filled by 0, answer will be 0. If all these cells are filled by 1, and if I group this, I will get the answer as 1, right? Suppose if only 0 is filled with 1, 0 cell is filled with 1, the answer will be A bar, B bar. Am I right? Suppose if it is for 1 alone, then the answer will be A, B bar. Sorry, A bar, B. A bar, B. A bar, B. So if this one is filled with 1 means it becomes A, B bar. And similarly, if the third cell is filled with 1, then the answer will be A, B. Okay. So here at the same time only one cell is filled with 2. So what happens if two cells is filled with 1? Suppose if I'm having this row is filled with 1. So the answer will be A bar. If suppose this 2 is filled with 1. So the answer will be B bar. And suppose these two is filled with 1. So the answer will be A bar, B bar plus AB. Am I right? So now you see these two is filled with 1. So the answer will be B. If I group this one, the answer will be B. And suppose these two is filled with 1. Then the answer will be A, B bar plus A bar, B. Okay. And suppose if these two is filled with 1, then the answer will be A. Am I right? So I think that's all about if I substitute 2 ones. Okay. If suppose the 3 cells are filled with 1, if 3 cells are filled with 1 in this manner, okay, then what would be the answer? So if I group this one, I will get A bar, and if I group this one, I will get B bar. Okay. So if suppose these 3 cells are filled with 1, then what will happen? Then the answer will be A bar plus B. And suppose this is filled with 1, then the answer will be A plus B. What are the other suppose these three cells are filled with 1, then the answer will be B bar plus A. Okay, so how many expression we have already found out? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so totally I have 16 expression, right, for 4 variables. So what will be my formula? It is 2 power 2n. So if since here the n is 2 variable, so 2 into 2 power 2, that is 2 power 4, that is 16 expression you have. So here they are asked about 4 variables. So 2 into 2 power 4, that is nothing but 2 into 16, 2 power 16. So that is nothing but 2 power 10 into 64. 2 power 10 is 1024, that is into 64. So if I multiply, I'll get the answer as 65536. Okay, so the total expression for if I am going to use for 4 variable is 65536. So I suppose if the question is they are asked for n is equal to 3, that is the number of variable is 3, then the answer will be 2 into 2 power 3, that is 2 power 8, right? So what is 2 power 8? 2 power 8 is 256. So 256 expression is we can able to form. Okay, so if you want, you can try with this K map. Okay, like for 3 variable, the K map look like this, right? So you fill these values and find the expression in the similar way. Okay, so what I have teached you now. So if we solve, that is each cell is filled with 1, then filled with 2, then filled with 3, then filled with 4, then filled with 8. So we will obtain the expression as 256, right? So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you very much.